Hello, I'm Errol Wirtz, Associate Broker with Landmark Realty in Hays, Kansas. The question comes up, should I rent or own a home? Well, my obvious answer is that you should own a home. And there are 6 reasons to own a home. And I'll be back in just a moment to tell you what those 6 reasons are. All right, I mentioned that there are 6 reasons why you should own a home. And number 1 is pride of ownership. What does that mean? Well, it means that the property is yours. You can do with it what you want. You can change colors inside, you can add different carpet, you can add different types of flooring. You could have things added to the outside, maybe a new deck or a patio, a dog pen, a fish pond, or maybe even a swimming pool. And you can add landscaping that meets your needs, something that you can take pride in. Secondly, the payment might be less than what you're paying in rent. And that has happened a number of times that I've sold people homes where their monthly payment of the principal, interest, and taxes and insurance is less than what they're paying in rent. And thirdly, the low interest rates. They're the lowest they've been in, well, 5 or 6 years. In fact, let me read you the interest rates that I received from a local lender just the other day. For a 30-year fixed rate mortgage with 3% down, the interest rate would be 3.092%. A 20-year fixed with 5% down would be 2.625%. And a 15-year fixed rate with 5% down would be 2.25%. A USDA 30-year fixed rate would be 2.75, as well as an FHA 30-year fixed rate at 2.75. Those are really low interest rates. And now is the most opportune time to buy a home if you have been thinking about it, because the Fed has been talking about possibly raising rates sometime this fall. So it takes, 30 to 45 days to close on a home. So it would be to your advantage to make an offer and buy a home today. The 4th reason is equity buildup. You'll reduce the principal amount, which means that you'll be building up your equity, and in addition to that, there'll be appreciation on the home. I'm going to say as a rule of thumb in Hays, that appreciation of homes has been a minimum of 3% a year. Sometimes it has been more, but 3%. Say you owned a home for 5 years. That'd be a 15% increase in your equity. And if you owned it for 10 years, that'd be a 30% increase in your equity. And that's a pretty good investment. The 5th reason is that you'll have the capital gains exclusion. What does that mean? Well, if you, as an individual, sold a home for up to $250,000, you would pay no capital gains tax. If you're a married couple, you could sell a home up to $500,000 with no capital gains tax paid. And the 6th reason, it's just a good investment for your family. A long-term investment and something that you'll build the equity and have that equity when you are ready to retire, or suppose you have a change in jobs and you need to move, and you can sell that home and have that money to use to buy another home. So if you'd like to investigate those opportunities of buying a home, I'm available. You can give me a call at Landmark Realty, 785-623-1634. That's 785-623-1634. And if you'd like this information, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit the like button below. And if you'd like to leave a comment, you can also do that. I would appreciate that. And before you leave, please subscribe to our channel. And I'll be back next Monday with something new about living in Hays, Kansas. See you then.